Hi friends! Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Roblox broken shot. To know how to fix or how to solve Roblox broken shot, you should just go to settings and you will enter here. Then in this page you click on apps, default apps, app settings. After that in this list you will go down to click on this window of Roblox. Here in this list, you will click on First Stop and you will click OK. Here we go to click Storage. After that, we click on Clear Cache, and in the end, you can go to Play Store. You will search about Roblox. I don't have here updates, but when you find it, you can click Update your application. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you